KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Vice Chancellor jongka North Eastern Hills University ula kerpat di Nongtrei casual jongka Nehu kibala penlong ye kajinya ki bakin sange no batkin sedang no bantrei ye ki kam ki jongki ula pensyai syakini ki Nongtrei kibaya ki ba nakaliang jong u umla ban le ai halor kajing dawa jongki ban Thung Pura no yaki namar bakarai ka Shong ka Sorkar India Henry neka liang jong u kat bala un persang ban yarap yaki badla ka Sorkar India ka menjur neka liang jong u lei kam dan jing ai ula pen pauru baga jing penya hanehu kalong kat kum kikindon trekam bad baro kita kikindon ka Shong hakti jong ka Sorkar pedeng.
Actually, you know this letter?
We've seen the letter and
You have seen the letter, no?
Yeah.
This union is not registered in the name. Both are different thing, no? This is he just used some name. Just like all Nehu Workers Union. Both are the different things. Even though, according to their charter, I already prepared the letter. Prepared this letter. Everything is already mentioned in this one. Other thing. Yeah. Everything is already mentioned and circulated among the officers and also the casual laborers. Just like the one demand that is already mentioned in this letter also, the regularization. All of you also know regularization process as a government process. Okay, without the permission of the government, we cannot directly regularize the casual laborers. Okay, that's why I mentioned here regularization is done only as per the permissible order issued by the government of India. Even in writing, the Nehu Union already written in writing letter, and he mentioned that further the members and leaders of the union has no knowledge about its name being misused in the media and also without consent and knowledge of the union members. He clearly mentioned here all the things. Even without any, something he's mentioned, he's just going to have a peaceful agitation. Yesterday he is given. I don't know why he is immediately going to close the doors and others. Create a law and order situations. Why he is doing this thing, I am unaware.
But who created?
Actually, Nehu is also not created. It's just like the demand based, the casual work basis. In the colleges, different colleges, it started from just I had discussed with my members saying it started from 1993. After 1993, why past vice chancellor not did the work in this area, I also not able to see anything. I'm also not able to say anything. But I can say, under the rules and regulations of the government, if government is going to circulate some letter, some other things, I am ready to help the Nehu workers. He is my workers. He is doing the work for the Nehu. I am not against of the workers. But under the rules and regulation, even after my joining, I already discussed with the union members of the Nehu, and he suggested me, sir, in the past, something already did by the vice chancellor, not without the rules and regulations. So this is my humble request to you. Start the works in this campus for the betterment of the Nehu and also under the rules and regulations. The union says, and I was very happy that the union is saying this thing. Union is saying me, sir, some are not coming in the office timely. I just convince him, discuss with your people why he is not coming joining their offices in time. If I am going to take any actions, then union will again going to take agitation. To first convince him, convey the my message. My vice chancellor already joined their offices in time. Why not?
step will you take?
Then I am anytime I am ready to discuss with him. Even yesterday also send a group to discuss with him. What are their problems? They refuse it. They refuse it. Then I prepare this paper, no? Then I prepare this paper, no? To circulate all the members.
Sir,
Along with their charters demand. Circulate out the members. Already Nehu is doing the thing. Maximum thing except one, the regularization process. Again I am going to convince him. Again I am ready to discuss with him. He is my employee. But I am going to entertain the outsiders. I am ready to entertain my workers who is working in the campus. But I am not going to entertain the outsiders. But Nehu union this is the Nehu family, no? Nehu family can discuss directly with me. But how can I entertain the outsider? It means it again create the problem for the people of the campus. This is three paper only. One is already attached. Even if he want to if he agree with that, I can give him sign with this. I have no problem. But that is circulated. All the papers this is already approved on the files. No, after the approval in the file, then is any assistance who is already engaged, especially for the circulated this paper. And administration, assistant registrar, admin is looking this thing. He circulated the paper. And mail is also authentic thing. No, all of you know the mail is also authentic thing. You cannot, anyone cannot deny even. Even just like during the time of discussion, some student, this is a student can agitate. But I am always with the workers of the Nehu, with the students of the Nehu, and always trying my best for the betterment of the Nehu. That's why every time going to reach how to retain the past glory of the Nehu.